Welcome back to the Deep Dive. We're carrying on with our look into Emmanuel Bakar's book, Startup Process Improvement, Volume 1, turning chaos into cash.
That's right. Last time we really got into that process first mindset and the flywheel concept, how processes aren't just red tape.
Exactly. Not red tape, but actually things that can boost speed, quality, even innovation, which sounds a bit backwards at first glance.
Right. But it makes sense when you see it work.
So today, we're taking those big ideas and getting, well, really practical. We're focusing on Chapter 6, bringing lean startup ideas right into operations.
Yeah, so our mission for you listening today is really to unpack how those core lean ideas, cutting waste, always learning, checking your assumptions, how they actually work for designing and improving your processes.
Not just your product.
Yeah.
And we'll be talking a lot about what Bakari calls the minimum viable process, the MVP.
Mm-hmm. Which is all about testing operational stuff quickly, tweaking it so you don't build this huge bureaucratic thing nobody wants to use.
Yeah, dodging that over-engineering startups hate. So this should give you a really practical way to think about developing your ops in an agile way.
Definitely. We'll hit on identifying waste, the MVP idea itself, how you develop processes step by step, and that crucial build, measure, learn loop, but for processes.
And also something called innovation accounting for processes. Sounds interesting.
Yep, we'll touch on that too.
Okay, and just a little teaser for the actionable takeaway.
Yeah.
Think about your next new process. What's the absolute simplest version you could possibly start with?
Get that running first before you even try to make it perfect.
Right. Okay, let's dive in. So, lean. We hear the term a lot, but what does it really mean when we're talking internal operations, not just, say, manufacturing?
Well, at its core, lean is about maximizing the value you deliver, basically by cutting out anything and everything that doesn't directly add value for the customer. Ruthless efficiency, you could say.
So anything that just eats up time, money, effort without a real payback.
Exactly. But the key thing for startups, the twist Bakari brings, is seeing your internal operations, how you do things, as products themselves, products that need to be lean.
Ah, okay. I bet everyone listening can picture that one process in their company that just feels like wading through mud.
Right. Those little delays, the extra steps, the stuff we just do out of habit that slows everything down, they become invisible hurdles.
So lean helps you spot those and cut them out.
Precisely. Streamline the flow, focus on the valuable parts. Bakari mentions Tech Connect solutions. They use lean for their customer support
Oh, yeah.
and manage to eliminate, get this, 64% of tasks that added zero value.
64%. Wow. That's huge. Where does all that waste even hide?
Often it's in handoffs between teams, waiting periods, doing more work than needed, unnecessary checks, even fixing mistakes